This is a dice challenge, and it will really help to have a die to play it on. But it's not absolutely necessary, because part of it is figuring out how the numbers are arranged on the die. So if we take this die as an example, we can only see 3 of the faces, and we'll have to we'll need some way of knowing what's on the other faces of this die. And the way we can do that is that opposite sides of the die have to add up to 7. So on any proper die, that's a standard. Opposite sides of the die have to add up to 7. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to see if we can roll the die in such a way that it ends up on the center square and 1 is at the top. Now at the moment 1 is not at the moment 6 is at the top. Now if I were to roll it, if I were to just push it into the center square, I wonder if anyone knows what would be on the die. Now you could get a die to have a look. We can see that 4 would, if I pushed it, 4 would drop down and be on the bottom. So what would be on the top if opposite sides have to add up to 7? What would be 4's pair? So that's one thing to think about. And then the other thing is just how we can show what moves we would make, because we're going to be moving the dice more than once, clearly, because 1 won't be on the top if I just push it into the center. So what we can do is we can actually just put in the number of the roll. So for example, if I bring it down here, I'll make this a bit smaller. Let's say, so my first roll, let's say I push the die in here, and that's roll number 1, my first roll. Then maybe I'll push it to the side, it would be roll number 2. Maybe I push it down here, roll number 3, roll number 4, and then back to the center, roll number 5. Now at the moment I don't know what those numbers would be, but that's what we'd try to work out. So for example, I could make a little table at the side here. I could say roll number 1 and then try and figure out what roll number 1 is. I think it's going to be 3. And then I'd go to roll number 2. So there I've pushed it to the side. If you imagine, 4's come down, and then I've pushed it to the right hand side as we're watching it. And so I think that 5 would be there. And that's the idea. The goal is to get 1 showing up in the center square. And we're going to see if we can find a way of pushing it around the grid so that happens.